And they doing their best with Joe. Every morning they tell Joe, today, don't say shit today, Joe. No, I want to tell the American people. I love it. And that's how you can tell the vice president is a real black woman. You don't see her nowhere. She ain't at the mall, at the club, nothing. She in her room at the White House. Too much shit going on. Too much shit. It all come down to the lie and the truth. Just gotta deal with it. Them motherfuckers don't want to tell us truth about shit. Nothing. You notice they don't even talk about the war on drugs no more? You think that's because there ain't no more war? Or there ain't no more drugs? They don't tell us shit. They don't talk about drugs no more. Because for the first time in history, black people ain't making none of the drugs. Look at white people. What? Yep, I know white people, you finding what I'm saying hard to believe. I'm going to tell you a statistic that's going to blow your fucking mind. There are 0 niggas making fentanyl Look at white people. What? Yep. You better believe it, white people. We would notice if niggas was dropping dead for nothing. I looked up fentanyl. That shit is beyond dangerous. I said, what you gotta do to die? They said, touch it. And that's when I knew niggas ain't involved in this. We like to touch everything we buy. We would notice niggas dying at the purchase. His last words was, this must be it. Yep. It's a crazy world out there now. They don't want to talk to you about the drugs. They ain't talking about the opioid crisis. And it's fucking up everybody's community. Everybody got a favorite pill. Everybody got a go-to for when time get rough. It's a whole opioid crisis. They ain't even talking about it. You know why? Because ain't nobody going to fuck to jail. Ain't no houses getting raided. Ain't nobody being looked into. You know why? Because the dealer is your doctor. Look at niggas. Dr. Fauci? That is not your doctor, niggas. Stop putting on your insurance paperwork. He's the only one I trust. They don't tell us shit. If they really want to lie to us, they don't tell us nothing about it at all. You notice they don't never fucking tell you where methamphetamines come from. They act like that shit come from a trailer park. That's one of the strongest drugs known to man. There ain't no other drugs make your teeth itch. Like, bitch, I don't even think teeth itch. You're scratching the shit out your mouth. They don't do no shit about motherfucking meth. Guess who the fuck discovered that shit and was the first to distribute and manufacture it? Somebody we all motherfucking know too. Adolf Hitler. What? How the fuck did they leave that out the book? They told us the Nazis was the scariest military in the world. But they never told us why. making the meth, they rationing it to themselves every day. Put it in chocolate and coffee and tea. Fuck with the Nazis if you want to. Them motherfuckers is the only military don't need to eat or sleep as long as they got teeth to scratch. You fighting the Nazis, you look out, they are 750 miles away. We'll see them bitches in 3 days. And you go to sleep. When you wake up, them bitches is in front of the house on the ring cam.
That was really, I'm gonna say that was really, really funny though. And that is true. I remember I had to study that one time and I saw that Hitler was giving his soldiers the drug. You know, all of Hitler's soldiers were doing fentanyl. And that really put them in the mood and gave them the strength. You know, Kat Williams said something that was really, how can I say, that was really profound. He said, this is how you can tell she's a black woman, meaning she's at the White House, she's not like going out or doing stuff. Does it mean that it is what black women do? No. A lot of black men like to go to the mall. Why sometimes they don't go there? Because maybe they're busy or maybe they can't afford it. You know, or maybe they don't have there's nothing to do at the mall, you know, they don't want to purchase something. You know, sometimes you go to the malls if you want to purchase something, if you're probably doing like sightseeing or window shopping or eye shopping. Right? So if they don't want to purchase something, no need to go there. Understand? They don't want to purchase something, no need to go there. So I would say on that part of knowing if she's a black woman, it's not really brought down to the gender or the ethnicity or the race of a person. No, it's just humans in general. We can't say these are things that only black women do and these are things that only white women do. No, we can't say that. Every woman is different, you know. Every woman is different, and it's more based on the individual rather than where the person is from.